back to the channel. Today's episode we're going to be looking at a software package, software application, Asana. Asana is an application system that is deployed in work environment that enables you to do your work better. It's like a software doing your work for you, but doing your work in a better way, like a task management. When in a work environment, it is deployed in whether it has small scale business or large scale business, but everyone knows what they're supposed to be doing. It's like you have a CRM, customer relationship management application, but in a broader way. The stock beats its earnings, the EPS slightly, but it beats the top. The actual revenue is 134.9 million, while the estimate is 127.5 million. The adjusted EPS is 0.34, while the analyst expectation is 0.39, but it beats top. The bottom is just slightly. Let's have a quick look at the website for Asana so you can understand what the application is about. Look, in investment business, it is not just good enough to say, oh, this is a ticker symbol, the price is low or the price is down, or before you even do, you consider something, you need to try to understand the business itself. This is why I decided that we will be going to the website of different companies we analyze so you can understand what they do. You will see on their website what the business is about. If it's one of those things you want to business you want to invest in, then fine. But you really need to know what the business is all about. And there's always an investor relation page on the website for companies. That way you will also be able to see what they have for the investors, you want to invest in a business, you should know more, and you should feel good as an investor, see what is there for you on the page. So let's have a look at the page, then we have a look at the details of the earnings, then we will have a look at the chart for price action. So let's have a look. Here is a website for Asana. Like I said earlier, Asana is a work management application. Here you can see from their website, from the small stuff to the big picture, Asana organizes work so teams knows what to do, why it matters, and how to get it done. Make work for you. You can see it's an office environment. It's always good to come to the website, understand what they do, check their website, get as much information as possible to understand the business you want to invest in. Don't just buy stock like you're looking at the price and you're buying it. You don't even know what you but you don't know the company you are buying their stock. You don't know what they do. You come here, you check, you try to understand at least, check the CEO if you have some CEO information. Try to understand. Don't just put your money and you're looking at the graph whether it's going up and down. That's not how to invest. Even if except you are just doing day trading. Day trading, you really don't need to know what the company does. It is the ticker symbol you're after and the price that is going up and down. But then let's move on to the financial the statement. Um, Here is the thank you, Catherine, and thank you to everyone for joining us on the call today. Asana Q2 result beat expectation on both top line and bottom line. Revenue grew 51% year over year and beat our guidance by 6%, um, driven by strength in the US and the enterprise businesses. We had 462 customers spending $100 to 1,000 or more in annualized gap revenue and are seeing broad adoption at some of the world leading enterprise. Dollar-based net retention rate remains strong overall across our customer spending $100 to 1,000 to 1,000 or more. The dollar-based net retention rate is well over 145%, illustrating that we are not only winning large deals but these large deals have the highest expansion rate among other customer cohorts. In particular, our enterprise business is growing more rapidly than our overall growth rate and thus becoming a larger and larger portion of our business over time. We remain committed to building the most effective, most scalable work management platform capable of serving organizations of all sizes around the world. Evidence of our progress include our continued success with the industry largest deployment, plus our end user adoption rate now at over 2.5 million paid seats. As a result, we are raising our top line guidance for the fiscal year 2023 to 544 to 547 million, representing a growth rate of 44% to 45%. We expect currency headwind to continue to be a significant factor this year. Excluding the currency impact, our guidance would represent 46% to 47% growth. We are winning across important industry and with iconic enterprise leader, and we have the greatest leverage. We are focusing, growing, and investing to win. Let's move on to um, price action. This is the chart. Market capitalization is 4.69 billion. Shares in float is 84.9 million. Shares outstanding is 190.3 million. And the EPS rating is 11. P ratio is not available. EPS growth not available. Cash flow is in negative. And as you can see, this company started reporting in 2019, but it has always been negative. Um, Currently, it's trading at $24.66. The 52 weeks high is $145.79, and 52 weeks low is $16.19. It is trading minus 83.1 off 52 weeks high. Let's have a look at the institutional ownership information. Funds own 36%, banks 0, and insurance 0. Checklist: Peter Lynch 2 out of 8, Benjamin Graham 1 out of 13, and then Warren Buffett none. Let's have a look at technical. It is currently trading above 10 weeks moving average, but below 40 weeks moving average. Now, as you can see, you will see better on a daily chart. This stock has not been in market for long. Just like many of its peers, you find the stock, they move up higher, you know, and then boom, you see, now as you can see from December 21 till date, it has been trending down. It has been a downward trending. You have a period of sideways here. You can also call it consolidation. But then recently there's this high, but it has the level of broke the resistance level here, trading above it 15 no 10 weeks moving average. Let's have a look at it on a daily chart. On a daily chart, it is crystal clear this stock has been downward trending. I won't call it a falling knife, but it's not far from it. But then it broke the level of resistance here, so it is currently trading here now. But you guys, you need to be careful about these stocks. It's not every stock we analyze or show on the channel that you should go for. You should probably check the industry. See, there are other stocks, there are other leading application, work management application software that will do, that might be doing better than this. So it's not every stock. Before you invest in a stock, you also need to check the industry. Who are the best among them? On this channel, we like to promote the best. I will tell you, look which of these companies are the best among the one, this sector. They The finances is not encouraging on the stock. The finances reflect on the stock. Guys, that's the technical chart. That's the price action. I don't have Asana in my own portfolio. I don't wish to have Asana in my portfolio. It's not every stock we analyze on our channel you should put in your portfolio. You should do your own metric. You should also know the companies or sector you want to invest in. Not every sector. You cannot invest in every business. Look, you also to invest in a business, compare that same uh, business with other business within the same industry, same sector. So you invest in the best. This on Elite Pro Investment, we like to invest in the best of all. You see, in an industry, look at the best. The best is the one that has good balance sheet. That's maybe by doing buyback or giving dividend. They have free cash flow. Their liability is not too high. You know, you compare all these things and you see the rate of return. You know, you check the P ratio. You have to check every information because you're putting your money in. Thank you for watching this channel. We'll continue to produce content that will support your investment journey. Please call again.